Welcome to the topic on I'm mocking HTTP requests for testing purposes. Testing is an essential part of developing robust and reliable Angular applications. In this topic, we'll explore the importance of mocking HTTP requests during testing and learn how to use Angular's HTTP client testing module to mock HTTP requests effectively. Mocking HTTP requests allows us to simulate server responses, enabling us to test various scenarios without relying on the actual backend. 1. The need for mocking HTTP requests. When testing Angular applications, we want to isolate the components and services being tested from external dependencies, such as the server and network. Mocking HTTP requests allows us to decouple the frontend from the backend during testing, ensuring that tests are reliable, predictable, and run efficiently. 2. Using HTTP client testing module. Angular provides the HTTP client testing module, a powerful testing module that allows us to mock HTTP requests and responses. It extends the HTTP client and provides methods to create mocked responses based on the specific test scenarios we want to simulate. 3. Simulating different scenarios. Mocking HTTP requests allows us to simulate different scenarios during testing. For example, we can mock error responses, slow network conditions, or empty responses to validate the behavior of our components and services under various conditions. 4. Advanced mocking techniques. The HTTP client testing module provides additional features for more advanced mocking, such as intercepting requests and responses, delaying responses, or returning different status codes. These features help us thoroughly test our application's handling of different scenarios. Mocking HTTP requests is a crucial practice during testing to isolate Angular components and services from external dependencies. By using Angular's HTTP client testing module, we can easily mock HTTP requests and responses, allowing us to simulate various scenarios and ensure reliable and efficient tests. In this topic, we explored the importance of mocking HTTP requests, demonstrated how to use HTTP client testing module to mock HTTP requests, and learned about advanced mocking techniques for comprehensive testing.